if you're new, go ahead and like this video, subscribe right now, and if you're not new, welcome back to another video with Kera Dior. So y'all, I'm about to do my berry look that I did for Christmas. I really like that look, so I'm about to redo it. I meant recreate for camera. And if you've been subbed to my channel for a while, y'all already know I like to listen to my music while I do my makeup. So I might talk to y'all like every now and then, but I gotta listen to my jams. I gotta listen to my jams. I should have did my eyebrows off of camera because y'all, my eyebrows take the longest. So I might do one eyebrow and then cut it off because it literally takes forever and it's so annoying. But perfection takes time, y'all, for anything. And also, Happy New Year's. Okay, y'all, so first I'm about to go in with my NK eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown, and it's actually a duo. It's a pencil and it's mascara, so you use the pencil to outline and then the mascara to fill them in. And this time I did my eyebrows natural. I just followed my natural line, wasn't nothing extra. I like the way they turned out because if y'all know that most of the time y'all eyebrows don't come out the way y'all always do them. And now I'm just about to use that mascara and fill them in. Next, I'm about to be cleaning them up with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. Next, I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Eyeshadow Primer in the color Sheer. And I actually did 2 coats of this. I've noticed when I use 2 layers that my eyeshadows really pop. So, yeah. Next, I'm about to go in with my Milani palette. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm just about to go in with that burgundy color and just work it in. Now I'm about to go in with my oldie but goodie palette, y'all. My Be Obsessed With palette. Oh my gosh. I had this since I first started doing makeup. So it looks beat the fuck up. And I'm about to go in with that more vibrant red to the top. My last color I'm about to use is from the Milani palette again, and it's going to be that light pink, and that's going to the bottom. Okay, so for my Christmas look, I did do eyeliner, but I really don't know if I want to mess up my eyeshadow because sometimes I do my eyeliner right and sometimes I don't. So I don't know if I'm going to do any But I really do want to. Y'all, I don't want to mess up mine. I don't even. Okay, I'm about to do it. Pray for me. My eyeliner actually came out better than I expected it to. Y'all know, if y'all been watching me, that I don't really know how to do eyeliner like that. I'm learning, but I'm getting better. I would say the hardest part is getting them to look identical. Oh my gosh. But practice makes perfect, and I like the way they turned out for this video also. Next, I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. Make sure you guys blend this. If you use it, please make sure you blend. If you don't blend this, it will make your makeup look orange or really harsh in the areas where it's just sitting on top of your skin. So please make sure you blend this evenly. Next, I'm about to go in with my Juvia's Place shade stick in the color Cameroon. And this is a matte stick, so yeah, I would suggest making sure that your brush is wet or beauty blender, just so that it distributes evenly, because it is thick, y'all. Next, I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Olive. And I'm just about to highlight my face. I forgot to show it, but I'm actually going in right now with my Black Radiance pressed powder. I forgot the color, but I will put it in the description. And I'm just patting it on the places where I highlighted. Next, I'm about to go in with my other e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Cocoa, and I'm about to contour. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Obsession baking powder in the color Topaz. As you can see right there, I'm not really pressing it in. I'm lightly tapping down there because you don't want harsh lines. You can tap it, like press it into your skin any other areas, but down there, I would say no, because you don't want harsh lines. And I don't bake also. Next, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and I'm about to contour with that powder. And again, I am lightly pressing. You don't want harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in the color Cold Brew. And I'm going to outline my lips. I actually overline my lips just a tad bit to make them look plumper. I mean, they're already plump, but you know, it gives that little illusion that I love. Next, I'm about to go in with my NYX Lingerie in the color Lippy 3. And I'm just putting that in the middle. And I'm going to be blending that in where it looks ombre-ish. And do this as many times as you like. Now that I'm satisfied with the look, I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lip Gloss in the color Tropical Fruit Punch. Now I'm about to go in with my BH Cosmetics Flower Blush. I forgot the color, but I will put it in the description. And I'm just about to go ahead and give my face a little more color. And I love the way it made my makeup come together. Why did I do that? Now I'm about to go in with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I love this setting spray better than my e.l.f. actually. So yeah. I've been like falling onto that setting spray lately. And it also makes my makeup waterproof, which I love. Next, I'm just about to plop on my lashes, and the rest is self-explanatory. Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. I really feel like I recreated that look because honey, that was popping and it's still popping now, and I'm forever popping on a pussy ass nigga, okay? Always understand that. Always remember that you was a bad bitch. I love this look, y'all. I think this might be like my everyday look cause honey, yo, serving face. Period. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you're not already. And like I said before, if you already subscribed, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in.